So hey everybody, it's Sean with Traveling with the Costas and All Dreams Travels. We just checked into and got on board the Disney Wonder, and we're in cabin 2056 today. We're on this trip, this 5-night cruise to Mexico. And so I was going to give you guys a really quick room tour. So when you first come in on the door on your right, it's going to be your closets with the safe. Some hangers, your life jackets. There's two closets right here. Some more hangers, life jackets. Usually there's a number of life jackets in your stateroom as a guest. That's our bag already, but so lots of closet space here. Then you walk. This is an adjoining room, so there is a door there. We won't have to use that this time. Then off to the right here is the glasses, some artwork of Walt and Lily on a ship, a cruise ship. And then you have your drawers. There's like 3 drawers here. Oh, those are tiny ones. Tiny. And then a big one down here. So 2 tiny ones and 2 big ones. Then you have a bed, a queen size bed with plenty of room underneath the stash suitcases. There's the bed. And then on the right again is some more storage. You have the big thing with the Pirates of the Caribbean artwork. Storage up there. Then you have it there, drawer, and then some cupboards down here. Let's see the cupboards. Then we have a little table, and this couch pulls out to the bed with some artwork. Then we have the TV. A fridge is under here. There's a fridge. We have some cupboards up here. It's a lot of space really in this thing. You know, we got a little desk or getting ready area with drawers and the plug-in hair dryer. Has more power, some more drawers. Then we're coming out here to the porthole. See, the port of San Diego is where we're at right now. In here. And then we're gonna go back. We're going to go back. We're going to show you the bathroom. Oh yeah, we do have a few plugs down here with an alarm clock, and then but bring your USB charge supercharger. Mirror, stand-up mirrors right here. You can see Caitlin in the mirror. Then this is a split bathroom, so we start off with the sink. And then the commode, some more storage areas back there for your toiletries. And we can come in here, and there's the new soaps, everybody. You don't get the little ones anymore. It's a mirror, the sink, trash can, and a full-size shower, almost. You stand up. If you're super tall, you'll have a little bit of issues with that. That shower does come out. Got the sea salt body wash in there. All right, once again, that's room 2056 aboard the Disney Wonder. See you at the next rope drop.